Okay, this is for SCGS, SA2, 2021 paper 1. Let's start from the back. Question 30 first. Okay, question 30. Mr. Wen bought some stickers for his. Yes.
It's done the question check. One that times 1 times 5 minus 1, right?
No lah, this one don't use guess and check. Okay, so he bought some stickers for his students. If he gives his students 5, each of them 5, right? You have 1 extra left. If he gives each of them 2, he will have 97 left. How many students does Mr. Wen have? This is shortage and surplus. I'm gonna use model. I show you model. First, wait. This is the amount of stickers that he has at first. If he were to give 5 each, he'll have 1 left. So there should be one left, 1 extra. We cut out because it's like extra. It's part of what he has. So this remaining stickers will be distributed to the rest of the students, and that's for 5 each. Everyone will get 5. So that's the first scenario. In the second scenario, if he gives 2 each, right, he will have 97 left. 97 is extra, so there should be, you should cut out 97 here. This is if he distributes 2 each. 2 each. Okay, so from the model, right, we can see that actually here, the difference between the units, right, from here to here, this is the number of stickers needed if he were to give each of them 3. So let's find. Okay, so let's find the number of stickers needed for 3 each. Meaning the number of stickers needed if he were to distribute 3 each. So that will be 97 minus 1. The green part, 97 minus 1. So if you think about it, if everyone were to get 3 stickers each, and you need a total of 96, then how many students were there? Everyone gets 3, and you end up needing a total of 96. So the number of students that's there will be 96 divided by 3. So you get 32. So that is the number of students. So answer 32. 32. Okay, so this is using model method for shortage and surplus. Okay, next question, 27.
Not done.
Okay. Done?
No.
Oh.
What's the next question you're gonna go through?
27. Aaron, start writing.
Still writing.
Karen, how are you?
Huh?
Okay? Huh?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, why you write so long?
Because my pen went off.
Okay. Hi. Done.
Yep.
Okay, 27. The mass of a honeydew is 6 times as heavy as the mass of a mango. So ratio 6 times, so 6 to 1. A lemon is half the mass of a mango. So lemon is like that, 1 unit. Mango is 2 units. So L to M, 1 to 2. Mass of a honeydew is 1,100 grams heavier than the mass of the lemon. What is the total mass of the 3 fruits? Find common base. The common base in these 2 ratios, both has mango, right? So we make mangoes the same. So this have to times 2. Okay, then they say that the difference between the H and the L, so the difference is 11 units. So 11 units is 1,100 grams. Then we find 1 unit. Which is 100. Total mass means you have to add up all the units, right? So 12 units. So we add the honeydew, the mango, and the lemon.
Did you get the correct answer? No. Yes, I got the correct answer.
100 divided by 15 equals
So 15 units is 15 times 100.
Equals to
Oh.
1,500. Yes, 1,500, bro. I got it correct.
Divided by 15 equals 100. So the answer is 100 grams.
Huh?
Oh my god. I am so excited. I thought I would find 1 minute.
Yeah, finding total. Okay, next.
25.
25.
Hmm.
25. There are 5 tennis players. Each player will have 1 match against each of the other 4 players. How many different matches are there to be arranged? Okay, so you need to see how many combinations there can be, right? So let's say the first player, who can the first player play against? The
The first player, the second player, the third player.
and fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, don't put first. First cannot play with the first. Okay, then the second player can play with who?
Forfeit.
Yeah, we don't put 1 because 1 already played with 2. So for player 2, don't put 1. Player 2 can play 3, 4, 5. How about player 3?
4, 5.
4 and 5. And player 4?
4, wait, 5.
Yeah, 5. Then player 5?
What?
No more. Because player 5 would have already played player 1, player 5 would have played player 2, player 5 would have played player 3, and also player 4. So player 5 already played all. Okay, so total how many? Here you have 4, here you have 3 games, here you have 2 and 1. So total, then,
10.
so answer 10 games, 10 matches.
Okay.
Okay, question 22.
Say what?
22. Devi spent 30% of her salary and saves 7/10 of the remainder. What percentage of her salary did she save? Okay, so first, if I draw a model, this is 30%.
Normally each like question in section B is like 2 marks, right?
Depends on which part. This one, 21 onwards is 2 marks.
But like I mean if it's like easy then it'll be 1 mark. Unless they really want to give you a mark.
If it's easier, it will be placed in the question 16 to 20. Then yeah, 1 mark.
Oh. Okay, so if it's easier then it'll be placed in the front and if it's harder it'll be placed at the back.
Okay, so then we spend 30%. I write T here because T is the total. Now, this is the remainder, right? 70% of the total is the remainder. She saves 7/10 of the remainder. So be careful, this is of the remainder. And this is your remainder, so you withdraw for remainder. You want 7/10, 7/10 is 10 units. So 10 units here, out of 7, this is what she saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So how much did she save? Can you see that she saved 7/10 of the 70%? So what I can do is 70%, I divide by 10 units to get 7%, right? So each of this is 7%. So how much did she save? 7% times 7.
Do you write the percent in the calculator?
No, don't need. It's just like a unit. It's just like a unit.
But when do we type the percent in the calculator?
When don't need to use.
What's the next question you're going to be going through?
13.
11.
13. Done? MCQ. Okay, 100 people, no, sorry, 1,000 people.
I'm going to go through 13. I thought we're going to go through 11.
13 and 11. 13 also.
Oh.
1,000 people were attended a concert, 600 were adults, 100 were boys. What percentage of the audience were girls? So all the rest were girls, right? So 1,000 minus the adults. Then you minus the boys and you're left with the girls. So 1,000 minus 600 is 400. 400 minus 100 is 300. What percentage of the audience were girls? What fraction of the audience were girls? 300 out of the 1,000. You want percentage, so you times 100%.
50%.
Yeah. So you can cancel 2 zeros, cancel 2 zeros. Then
Okay,
cancel.
three.
So it's 3 times 10, so 30%.
Then
11. Okay, question 11. Mr. Wong bought 5 kg of noodles.
Teacher,
Uh-huh.
done.
Yeah.
it's so easy.
11 and 6, okay?
Okay.
Not going to question. It's so easy.
8. Okay, so your total is 5 kg. He used 1/5 of it. So be careful, this is 1/5 of 8. It's not 1/5 kg. And then suddenly they said that he used 1/5 kg. So can you see that there's a difference? There's a difference, right? This is 1/5 of it, no kg. And this is 1/5 kg. So you have to treat them differently. If you have no kg, right, this 1/5 is like units. That means out of 5 units, he used 1 unit. So your mee goreng, the amount he used for the mee goreng is 1/5 of 5 kg. Okay, so mee goreng is 5 kg divided by 5. Then your mee soto is just 1/5 kg. Don't divide by 5. That is already the amount in kg. So now you have this in kg, you have this in kg, right? You should take away these from the total of 5 kg. So first, let's take away the 1 kg. I'm left with 4. Then I might 4 minus 1/5 equals to what? 4 wholes, you take away 1/5, right? You're still left with 3 wholes, right? 3 and what fraction?
4/5.
Yeah, 4/5. Because you take away 1/5, you're left with 4.
So the answer is 4.
4. And last one, question 6. Karen done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Which one is the nearest to 3/4? Okay, so 3/4 you have over 2. Let's change it to quarter. This is 2/4. Then this is over 6. 6 cannot have quarter, right? So let's change it to, we double it, it's 12. So this is over 12. I'm going to change the 3/4. Here I have over 8. Here I have over 12. Here I have over 12. Here I have over 4. So I'm going to see what
into 12.
quarter. Yeah. You're going to make it into 8, and then you're going to make it into 12. If it's 8, right, it's times 2. So it's this. If it's 12, right, we times 3. Then it'll be 9/12. Okay, now we compare. We compare what is, how far are all these from 3/4. So the first one, how much away are we? 2/4 versus 3/4. So you are 1/4 away. Okay, 1/4 away from 3/4. 10/12, compare it against 9/12. We are 1/4. Yeah.
1/12.
Then next one, 5/8 versus 6/8. So it's 1/8 away. Because the difference 5/8 and 6/8 is 1/8, right? Then the last one,
5,
7, 12,
7,
and 9, 12. 2,
Six.
12,
6 away.
2 over 12. Wait, what? This one 7, 12, right? This
yeah,
one 12, 9, 12, right? So the difference is 2, 12. So
so
which
the
one?
nearest one is half.
How to choose? You must choose the smallest fraction away, right? Right. That would be the nearest one. So the smallest fraction is which one? Is it 1/4 or what?
2.
Yeah. This one.
Is it because it's the smallest denominator?
Yeah. No, wait. What?
Is it because the denominator is
Bigger.
bigger?
Yeah. The denominator is the biggest, means the fraction is the smallest.
What's the next question?
No more already.
No more already.
Got
Okay.
any other questions? If there's no other questions, then that's all for today.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.